Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Canva for a side hustle. Canva is an incredibly versatile design platform, perfect for anyone looking to start earning extra income. You can begin by exploring its vast library of templates, from social media graphics to presentations. Even the free version provides powerful tools to create professional-looking designs, allowing you to customize everything with your unique brand identity. It's a fantastic starting point for your entrepreneurial journey. Once you're comfortable with Canva, there are numerous ways to monetize your skills. Consider creating and selling digital products such as printable planners, ebooks, or custom templates on platforms like Etsy. You can also offer graphic design services to local businesses, helping them with logos, flyers, or marketing materials. Many clients need engaging social media content, which you can easily design using Canva's intuitive interface. Effectively marketing your side hustle is crucial for attracting clients. Canva itself is an excellent tool for this. Design stunning social media posts, banners, and advertisements to promote your services across various platforms. Create a professional portfolio, perhaps as a PDF or a presentation, showcasing your best work. A strong visual presence, crafted with Canva, will help you stand out and secure more opportunities. To ensure long-term success with your Canva side hustle, continuous learning is key. Stay updated with new Canva features and design trends. Consider specializing in a niche, like designing for real estate agents or wedding planners, to target specific clients more effectively. Always strive to deliver high-quality work and excellent customer service. This will build a strong reputation and lead to repeat business and referrals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.